We put desktop background images in our computer to appreciate the beauty or the creative of our image. So everyone can appreciate it by removing every folder, every icons in the desktop. As you can see as mine. I know you like mine, so subscribe to this page, hit the notification button and like this video. But do you know that you can remove also the recycle bin icon in your computer? So in this video, I'll take you step by step on how you can remove the recycle bin icon and get it back in your desktop. So go to search, then search for settings. Yeah, this is here, settings, then open it. As you open settings, open personalization. After opening personalization, open themes. Then you scroll down till you find the relative settings and open desktop icon settings. After that, you can see that you can choose any icon, desktop icon you can put on or remove out. So I remove the recycle bin, then apply, then OK. Then I cancel everything. As you can see, my desktop is clear from everything. I can appreciate the beauty and the creative of my background image. So if you want to put it back, go the same step, go to the search, then search for settings, open it. After open it, go to personalization. After open personalization, go to themes, then scroll down, go to relative settings and go on in desktop icon settings, open it, then you can mark it, then apply, then OK. Therefore, the recycle bin is come back again. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button and like